Hey people, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my first ride and review video. Contact points on the bike. Nice easy parts on the bike to upgrade that make all the difference when riding. You can really feel a difference when you've got a nice set of grips, saddle or a set of pedals that you get on well with. I've been running DMR pedals for quite a while now. However, a company that I follow very closely, another British company, UK Components, have just launched their first pedal. This is the Instinct. It is a oversized flat pedal and I've been really keen to pick a pair of these up and try them out. Here they are. They only released them a couple of days ago. Let's get these on the bike and see how good they are. Now, I'm a fan of UK Components already. I've had a few parts from them in the past, little upgrades for the bike, and I really like their products, British made products, which I like to support. And this pedal looks like it is no different, really well made, CNC machined, of a really high quality. So I've been really keen to get hold of these and try them out. 20 replaceable pins in each pedal. I'm just Loctiting these in just so that they grip the threads a little harder. I'll fast forward this bit and see you once they're done. Okay, just making sure all these pins are nice and tight, and then we'll get these on the bike. Most recently I've just been running the DMR V8 pedal, which is a really good value for money pedal. There are two things I'm noticing straight away. Firstly, the contact point on this UK Components pedal is much bigger than that of the DMR pedal, and also the weight. This is significantly lighter. They are just 440 grams in fact. Right, I've just finished tightening these up. The black looks wicked. So I've gone for the black pedals, but they do offer a number of different colours. I will pop a link in the description to the website, so go check out UK Components and all of the bits that they do. I think that'll do it. Time to pack up my kit and go ride. So first impressions of this pedal, really good. Been riding all morning now, done quite a bit of climbing up at QECP, and just really impressed so far. Lovely wide contact point, plenty of area to push through, help generate that force pedalling uphill. Gonna go find some nice downhill stuff now, see how the grip works. Okay, so a bit of downhill section here. Most of these trails are fairly technical, not a lot of airtime, but should still give me a really good opportunity to feel the grip in these pedals. Lots of bumpy sections to lose traction if the pedals are no good, but I'm sure they're going to be brilliant. Here we go. Hill. Super technical, super steep. Nice. Feet feel so nice and grippy. Super impressed with these. Really impressed with this, and I highly recommend it. Just such a nice wide contact point. It sits really nice to the crank arm as well, nice and flush there, and both on the ascents and descents I found that my feet were well and truly in position. Didn't move around at all, even with a lot of the braking bumps in some of the berms that I was riding. Right, back from the ride now. I think the state of the bike shows just how good of a session it was, and I'm super impressed with these pedals. They were brilliant on the climbs, brilliant on the descents. Really can't fault them. I'm super impressed. United Components, you've done it again. I'm going to pop a link in the description below. Do go grab yourself a set of these pedals. I'm in no way endorsed by United Components, but I cannot recommend them enough. I think for the price point, really good pedal. So go grab yourself a set. As always, please like and subscribe. New content coming out roughly every week or so there's lots to look forward to. And to those of you who have already subscribed, thank you very much. We're well on the way to 1,000 subscribers now, which is brilliant. So thanks again for that. Until the next one, cheers.